All right, good afternoon. Today is Thursday, August 22nd, 2024. We're here at Lone Star Bucket Trucks in North Fort Worth, Texas, shooting a quick video of our 2011 International Workstar 7300 four-wheel drive bucket truck. This truck has Allison automatic transmission, 118,000 miles on it, I believe. Has a 60-foot working height, OverCenter Altec boom that's insulated with a material handler and jib on it. Kind of a neat truck being four-wheel drive. We don't see a ton of them down here. Gives you a lot more versatility and keeps you from getting stuck in those ditches. So gonna go around it real quick here with you. Bumper, grill, the rack, windshield, all that's in very good shape. The fluid you're seeing underneath it is from the air conditioner condensate. We had it running, it's about 105 degrees here. So we have the AC on just a little bit. Truck does not have any leaks. Coming around the passenger side here, front tires are about 60%. It does have some, wear and tear from where the lettering was on the doors and on the paint, but nothing significant. Coming around, you see everything. Utility bed's in good shape. All the doors open and close and latch. Being a material handler truck, it does have 4 outriggers, so very, very stable. The bucket does rotate out and then also pivot. It has some damage here on the back of this toolbox there. It's not affecting the opening and closing of the door, but it did get into that lower section there. Somebody backed into something, but the outrigger pad holders are all intact and in good shape. Platform style rear bumper, ultra heavy duty pintle style hitch. Here's your material handler. Does have glad hands for air brakes or electric brake hookup. Coming around the driver's side, equally good shape. Rear tires are about 70%. Good looking truck for its age. Show you the interior real quick and then we'll start it up, engage the PTO, fly the boom, and at the end I'll take it for a quick drive around the block. Seats in good shape, dash is in good shape, door panels are all in good shape. All right, now we'll start it up and engage the PTO and operate the boom. Engine sounds great. It does have a pressure switch on the hydraulic system that'll send it to high idle. It's got flow. Put the outriggers down. Very capable truck, especially in this price range. A lot of truck for the money. It does have a 2-speed transfer case for the four-wheel drive, high and low. Got all 4 outriggers down. Now he's going to go up and fly the boom. Working it from the pistol, from the lower controls just for time saving. It's got a pistol grip style control in the bucket that works great as well. Levers at the base. Lower boom going up now. This is an OverCenter style boom, which means the upper boom will rotate up past in line with the lower boom. In relation to each other, the upper boom will go about another 30 degrees past straight with the lower. He's rotating it now. The bucket's coming towards us. Elbow is going away. Very smooth and fluid rotation. Nice with the pressure switch on the hydraulic system. That way the truck doesn't just stay at high idle all the time. It's only when the hydraulic system's being tapped into for a function. Lined up in the cradle there. Have an auto lock cradle there for the upper boom, where you don't have to strap it down. Keeps the boom secured when you're going down the road. Outriggers. AC feels nice and cold in here. Turn off our PTO and our strobes. It is missing a block-off handle there. Someone had a radio or so, the other company that had it. The block-off plates are very inexpensive. We just didn't have one in stock. Okay, Allison automatic, got it brake released. It's 118,917. No warning lights or anything. Get it up to speed out of our industrial park as soon as we get over all these speed bumps and out onto the main road. One more set of speed bumps. Can't tell you how good that AC feels with being so hot here today. It's nice that this truck has the overhead rack cage over the cab. Makes it great for a lot of different industries, even tree guys, with it being an OverCenter style boom. With the material handler, the rack, the cage helps protect the cab against anything you might drop or that might fall. All right, we're pulling out onto the main road here. Going through the gears. About 50 there. The brakes feel really good. Coming up to the stop sign here. Take a look at the video and let me know if you have any questions or concerns. Shipping quote, just give us a call or shoot a text. You can call or text us at 972-765-7819. We do offer discounted shipping to anywhere in the country. You can usually get it done faster and cheaper than just about anybody else. All we need is your zip code. Kind of fun we're about to hit up here. Truck really does run very, very good and drive good, especially for this size of truck. These trucks are real comfortable at 55 to 60. They'll do 60 to 65. Heck, they may even do 70. Just they're turning a lot of RPMs. So, for long distance shipping or long distance transactions, we do always recommend shipping. It's just, you can drive them, but it's just kind of hard on the truck going super long distances. So please let us know if you have any questions or concerns. Once again, this is our 2011 International 7300 four-wheel drive with a 60-foot OverCenter Altec boom and a material handler. And just let us know if you need anything at all.